Hello and welcome to the Faisal channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be clearly showing you how to create stunning 3D or embossed text in Adobe Photoshop. To start, we're using Photoshop CC on a sample project. Of course, this method works for any version, whether it's a very old one or any future versions of this amazing app. Let's check it out together. We've had a lot of requests for this tutorial, and a lot of people talk about it because you can see this style everywhere, especially on the signs of local shops. Wherever you go in a popular area, you'll find shop signs with raised or embossed lettering, whether it's a clothing store or any other kind of shop. For example, you see the word and it feels like you want to reach out and touch it with your hand. It looks 3D. So we want to see how this easy method works, or how they actually use it in writing. Let's check it out together. Let's write any sentence. Yarkol is the name of our channel, and we hope you'll subscribe. Let's make it bigger together. Yarkol. Of course, you can change the font however you like. Here, the way to change the text color is well known. For me, I select the tool here. I'll find that it appears here in the menu bar above. So I click on it and set it to red. Excuse me. The red color. Okay, now I have a regular word. Now, how can I turn this word into something prominent? I go to Window, then to Layers. Of course, as soon as I create any word or anything in Photoshop, I'll find that a new layer has been created for it. So here, I double-click or click twice in a row. There, I click twice in a row. Now, we start with what we actually want to do. The first option you have is Bevel and Emboss. Select it. You'll notice right away, Subhanallah, the shape you want appears instantly. But we're not done yet. The process isn't finished. For example, you can add a stroke to it. You add a white stroke to it. Here, you can adjust the stroke thickness so I can see it, since my background is white. I can also go here to drop shadow and add a drop shadow so it stands out. In the drop shadow settings, I can adjust it. I can control how strong it is or move it around. You can adjust the strength here and the size, make it bigger or smaller depending on what you want. So really, it's all about practice and experimenting. I mean, I can now create more than one shape or more than one option, whether you like it, someone else likes it, or even if I don't like it. So here, you can achieve whatever you want. Here, you can add lighting to the outer part, or you can add lighting to the word itself. But here, since we're using a white background, it's not showing up. This is our method. Also, with Emboss, I can control its size. As you can see, you can adjust the size however you want and add a shadow to it. This is the very easy method. And it's the old method, or the one that made Photoshop stand out because of how fast it is. You can do the same thing in Illustrator, but it might take you more time because there are more details, effects, and the file or document size might get bigger. That was our explanation for today about how to create embossed text in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching.